Great. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Jarlath.
Hi. Jarlath?
Jarlath with a TH.
Jarlath.
Okay, in 1905 this was built, and for the railroad, and so there were many, many trains each day that came through here, and this is an authentic rescued building. So we have just marvelous things to tell people about. That the transom windows are all authentic. The ticket window goes up and down.
Oh, wow.
The terrazzo floors are all original. The oak everywhere, whether it's wainscoting or crown molding or the bookshelves, are all original.
Oh, that's nice.
It is. They rescued as much as they could. As you know, windows become broken early on when something is no longer used. And the last train was 1963, so by 1993 this was really in trouble.
Yeah.
So they decided it should be razed and wrecked, and a wrecking ball was coming. But a Reedsburg resident said it's too important.
Yes.
So the wavy glass, in some of these 6/6 windows are old glass.
The old originals, huh?
Old originals, and then the replacement glass is the clear glass with
Sure.
no waves. Like I said, we have it as authentic as it can be. The men used to be behind the doors that are now as our boardroom, smoking cigars and reading newspapers and having a nice quiet time, while the women were with the children screaming and hollering and out in the open.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'd take a quick look around. I appreciate it.
You bet. I hope I did okay for you.
Oh, thank you. Yes. All right, I wanted to come here for quite a while. She did say they still get a train through here that is delivering to the businesses. Yeah, this talks about the removal of the Ho-Chunk people. Forced to leave. There's the Reedsburg depot right there. Uh, hmm. All right. Thanks for watching.
Rolling down the back roads, chasing time gone by. Old bridges, lost stories, under Midwest skies. Those constant points of interest, where the past still shines. I'll see you down the highway at the next roadside sign.